Hey everyone, back to it with an eyebrow tutorial. This was requested. Also, if you want to learn how I did this makeup look, I do have a video on that. So go ahead and check it out. By the way, I do have multiple ways to do my brows. This one is my semi-natural one, so if you want me to show you other ways, comment below.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
So first off, we're going to use Anastasia's eyebrow brush in number 12. I love this brush. So we are going to tame the hairs up for a better application, and so you can see where the shape of your eyebrow starts. And now we're going to use Anastasia's Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. Now we're going to apply as if we are following our natural brows. As you can see, that's the way. Now we're going to follow the shape of the brows and to outline it at the bottom. Now you're going to softly apply it in this area because you don't want to have like a harsh looking brows. Like most people usually do mistake. I mean, each their own, they all love their way they do their eyebrows, but to me, I think it looks very harsh when you're just doing like a really, like a solid brow from beginning to end. Looks a little funny and very, very more unnatural. Now we're going to brush the hairs down for another way of better application. And now we're going to draw down in downward strokes following the hairs. And you're going to lightly apply as you start going in further in the beginning of your brow. And we're going to shade in the brow now. Now we're going to, of course, adjusting your brows with the spoolie. I believe that's what you call it, right? So they don't look so weird. And now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild concealer for under my brow to shape it and for a cleaner look. Also to help you make your eyebrows stand out better. And that brush right there that I'm using is actually a painting brush. I love using paint brushes. But yeah, this actually does make your eyebrows look really, really nice. Very clean. So now you're going to blend out the concealer with your finger with like patting motions until you're not able to see that harsh line. And now using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation for the top part. You can also use concealer, but I don't anymore because I don't like that halo effect on the top of your brows. I used to use it a lot. Then sometimes I am guilty of this. I never used to blend out that top with the concealer. So in a lot of photos of mine, I was able to see that harsh halo looking effect, which is not a good thing. Unless it's like really blended out, then that's fine. But I never blended it. So you're going to blend that out with your brush. And now we're going to use CoverGirl's Natural Lash to keep my brows in place. I love it because of the wand. Or you can use the Wet n Wild, which is that one right there. That one is for your brows and mascara. It's like a mascara for your eyelashes too. It's a 2-in-1 product. But I love using the CoverGirl's mascara wand. It does the same job. Now this is going to help you with your eyebrows to stay in place so they don't move around. So yeah, I think that's about it, you guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Like I said in the